Okay, so this is how we're gonna show you how to brine a turkey. So we have these kits available at the shop. One of these will do 1 gallon. So we've got our 1 gallon measured out. So we're gonna open this brine. And dump it in with our 1 gallon of water. And then we're gonna make sure it's all mixed. So we're going to use cold water, so that way when we're injecting it into the turkey, we don't have to worry about it, the hot water going into the turkey. Okay, now that we have that all mixed up, we're going to use our injecting needle. We have these available at the shop as well. So I'm going to put the needle just into the brine and fill it up. And then I'm going to go under the skin into the turkey breast. And then as I inject, you can see that brine going right in to the turkey breast. Do another one on this side. Just want it right in the middle. Fill that side. Let's do another one on the other side. So this brine is going to make this turkey retain a lot of the moisture as it's cooking. And then it's also going to be similar to a ham once it's done. So the Disneyland turkey legs that everybody's familiar with, it has like a ham type cure with it. That's going to be the same outcome with this brine. Then I'm going to inject this leg. And I'm going to inject this leg. I've got it sitting on this tray because you can see some of this water or some of this brine getting purged out a little bit. Then I'm going to do the thigh. And I'll do this thigh. These injectors are nice because you can also, if you don't want to brine your turkey, I would still recommend it at least adding a little bit of flavoring. You can get melted butter and put it in here and inject it into the breasts themselves right there. So now once that is injected, now I'm going to put this in my bucket. So rule of thumb is you want to brine it at least 1 hour per pound. So now that I've got this in the bucket, and then with my leftover brine, I've got just under a gallon. So now I want to dilute this. I'm going to add 1 more gallon of water, and then I'm going to dump that in there. And then I'll keep adding cold water until the turkey is fully submerged. This is a 20-pound bird, so I'm going to do it for at least a day, so 24 hours. And then after I do that, I'll pull it out of the brine, pat it dry, and then it'll be ready to be put into the oven and start cooking. Okay, so now that I've got another gallon of water in here, I'm just going to dump it in to be able to submerge this turkey. So whatever leftover brine I had after pumping, I added that much water to dilute the brine by 1/2. And that's going to ensure that I've got a nice even brine. So now that the turkey's submerged in that bucket, I'm going to leave it for a whole day. So we have these brine kits. We got plenty of them in the shop. They are super easy to use and ready to go. So they're only $9.99 for a bag that'll do a whole turkey. So come in and grab some.